Hello everybody, welcome back to the Faculty Guide channel. In this video we will see the recruitment of non-faculty posts of various departments one by one. Before going into the detailed job notifications, please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends and press the bell icon to get the regular job notifications. For getting these kind of regular job vacancies in different states of India, please join our Facebook group Faculty Guide that has more than 2.6 thousand members, and join our WhatsApp group, and the links are given in the description. Please join us and let us get into the detailed job notifications. You can see here the vacancies for the various posts with the various caste categories, and the vacancies are split up into the various caste categories. As you can see here, for the positions of technical assistants, we have the various departments vacancies: biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science engineering, IT, industrial production engineering, mechanical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and textile technology, chemistry and physics, where the vacancies are split up into the various caste categories, and they are providing the salary as per level 6 of government, and they are providing around 35,400 to 1,12,400 rupees. And we have the second vacancy post is SAS assistants, and we have the total vacancy is 1, and they are also providing the level 6 payment, as you know that. And the third one is junior engineer. We have the vacancies in the department of civil engineering and the electrical engineering, and total vacancies is for civil engineering it is 2, and electrical engineering it is 1, and they are also offering the level 6 payment, that is around 35,400 to 1,12,400 rupees. And senior technician, we have the vacancies in the department of civil engineering, computer science and engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and textile technology. So we have the vacancies in split up into the various caste categories, and they are also offering the pay of level 4, that is around 25,500 to 81,100 rupees. And we have the post of technician, and where the where the department having vacancy is biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, information technology and industrial and production engineering, and mechanical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and textile technology and chemistry. So they are offering the level 3 pay of 21,700 to 69,100 rupees. And for the junior assistant post, we have the vacancies of 13, and it is split up into the various caste categories, and they are also offering the level 3 pay. And senior assistants, we have the vacancies of 6, and they are offering the level 4 pay of around 25,500 to 81,100 rupees. And we have the vacancies for stenographer and senior stenographer and office attendant. So they are offering level 4 and level 5 and level 1 respectively. For the level 1, we have the pay of 18,000 rupees to 56,900 rupees. And and this job notifications is announced by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, Punjab. And for the various posts, we have to qualify for the various degrees, and which are given detailedly in the detailed job notifications, and which is given in the official website, and also the link is provided in the descriptions, and you can go and check it. And let us see some important details. And some of the posts they have given detailed explanations in the official notifications. And the application fees is candidates belonging to the underserved, OBC, economically weaker section categories are required to pay non-refundable application fees of ₹500, and the same shall be paid through online mode only, through credit card or net banking, while filling on the online application form. There will be no application fees for SC, ST and person with disability and women candidates. An application without the prescribed fee would not be considered for summarily rejected, and no representation against such rejection would be entertained. And so we have some general conditions. Candidates are required to apply online only against these advertisements on online, and recruitment applications on institute website, they are given in the descriptions. They are also requested to go through carefully the details of the post and instructions published in these advertisements before filling up the online applications. And let us see some important things here. Links for filling up the online applications from form shall be activated on 1/11/2020, which is already activated, and closing date for submission of online applications on that is online recruitment application ORA on the institute website is around 12 o'clock 12 p.m. 30/11/2020, and date for determining the eligibility of all the candidates in every respect shall be prescribed. Closing date is 30/11/2020 for submission of online recruitment applications. So the applicants are advised to fill in all their particulars and upload the requested documents in the online recruitment, and the applications carefully as submission of wrong informations may lead to the rejection through the computer based shortlisting apart from the department by the institutes on the date written or shortened typing or physical test shortlisted. And candidates shall be required to bring the printout of his online applications along with their other documents. A number of vacancies may be increases or decreases without any notifications. The institute reserves to write the modify or defer or cancel the advertisements and recruitment at any stage of the process without assigning any reasons. And date of birth mentioned on the online recruitment applications is final, and no subsequent request for change of date of birth will be considered for granted. Please see the official website for more information, and I hope this video will surely improve your career as faculty. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.